BTH-Baitaohui Ceramic Equipment Company Limited was established in 2012 with its headquarters in Jingdezhen, China. It is a quality enterprise focusing on the research and development, production, and global trade of ceramic machinery and equipment. BTH has modern research and development and manufacturing factories. Stepping into our workshops, you will see good works that reflect exquisite mechanical manufacturing techniques. Our production lines are equipped with high-precision CNC machine tools capable of fine cutting, forming, and assembly. Operated by technical engineers, these advanced machines can ensure that ceramic equipment we produce features a high level of consistency and efficiency. When manufacturing pottery wheels, its CNC lathes carve out key components with required precision, ensuring stable rotation and reliable performance. The production of kilns is equally impressive. Advanced laser cutting machines can manufacture metal parts with high accuracy, while most of the other processes are done manually. Before leaving the factory, each piece of equipment undergoes a series of strict tests. Its temperature uniformity, heat insulation performance, and safety features have obtained authoritative certifications from global professional organizations such as CE and CSA. Our professional capabilities go far beyond equipment production. We provide end solutions for global ceramic education. We have a team of professionals, including 3 experienced research and development engineers. Over the past decade, we have established cooperative relationships with many schools. BTH will continue to dedicate itself to promoting innovation in the fields of ceramic education and equipment manufacturing, connecting practitioners in the ceramic industry with the concept of scientific ceramic making. We provide services and products that meet international standards and keep making improvements for the industry.